In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Steam Remote Play. Steam Remote Play lets you stream your Steam games from one computer to another. This is especially useful if you have a powerful gaming PC and another computer with lower specifications, since you can run the game on the more powerful machine while playing it from the other device over your network. To get started, open Steam on the computer that has your games installed. Click on Steam in the top left corner of the window, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Remote Play. Once you're on the Remote Play page, make sure the Enable Remote Play option is turned on. This allows your computer to stream games to other devices using the same Steam account. Below this option, you'll also find several advanced settings. These let you customize things like streaming quality and performance if you want to, but they're completely optional, and you can leave the default settings if you prefer. Next, move to the second computer that you want to play your games on. It doesn't matter whether it's running Windows or Mac OS, as long as Steam is installed and you're signed in with the same Steam account on both computers. Open Steam on the second computer and go to Steam, then Settings. If you're using a Mac, open Steam and select Preferences instead. From there, click on Remote Play and make sure Enable Remote Play is turned on here as well. Once Remote Play is enabled, you should see your other computer listed as available. This confirms that Steam has detected it and that it's ready for game streaming. Now, close the Settings window and open your Steam library. Find the game you'd like to play remotely. If you see a Stream button, simply click it to start streaming the game from your other computer. If you see an Install button instead, click the small arrow next to it and choose Stream From, then press Stream. If prompted, enter the authorization code shown on your screen to connect the two computers. After that, the game will launch, and you'll be able to start playing it remotely through Steam Remote Play.